Today is my office Christmas party, and my daughter got up early and has been slaving away to make these for me to take in and share with everybody. So great. Thanks, Erica. Oops. She got up too early. I didn't see the full process.
Too late. That's what I did. I slept at like 12.
Okay, not too
Went to
late.
sleep. Back up. I was like, oh, I gotta do these. They have to cool for a certain amount of time.
You mean the batter has to chill?
Yep. So I couldn't just, you can't just make them go.
Coming into the office today was an amazing Christmas party. Toys for Tots guys. And more stuff. And I don't know if you can tell, it's very rainy today. So, umbrella. Festive.
Glide thingy.
Hey guys, so I'm back from the office. We had our office Christmas party and Secret Santa gift exchange today. I wanted to show you what I got from my Secret Santa. This lovely little bag. Oh, what fun. My Secret Santa turns out knew me pretty well. We did use a website called Elfster to do the exchange, to do the name draw, and to create wish lists for ourselves of what we wanted. I hadn't used that website before to do a Secret Santa. We're mostly still remote for work, and so it really seemed like the easiest way to fairly draw names and to assemble and gather lists so we knew what to get each other. But anyway, it was really nice to see everybody in person, and you know, it was very festive. It was very festive. So on my wish list, I put a few things, but excuse me, one of the things I saw online was this little, I'm trying to open it, but maybe I'll just show you unopened. This little, it's a desk vacuum cleaner. Excuse me, I don't know how or why our desks get a little dusty, or if you have a little snack at your desk, there's always a crumb or two. But this, you are supposed to be able to charge up with a little, say, a USB, usually call it the wrong thing, but a USB-C, is that what that is? Cord, and charge it up at your computer, and then let this little guy do its job on your desk. So it's cute, it's compact. Oh, it's already charged up and ready to go. So you can see how well it works. So that I did put on my little list. It's a fun little gadgety thing that I probably wouldn't purchase myself for myself, but why not ask Santa for it? And then the other thing in the bag, which again, I was surprised by this, but in a good way, because I don't think we've ever had this conversation before, But anyway, it was a glass, a wine glass. On the one side, it says, "Forget the elf. I'd rather have wine on the shelf." So I thought that was really cute. And then with this little bottle of wine, 19 Crimes, a 2020 red wine, which I just saw this label, this 19 Crimes label in the store, and I was like, oh, I wanted to try it. What caught my eye in the store was is that Snoop Dogg is on one of the bottles, or I'm not even sure if it's the same blend or what, but it's definitely this 19 Crimes. And I thought, well, Snoop Dogg has a wine now, but I guess he's partnered with them. There's also a bottle that has Martha Stewart on it. Same label, 19 Crimes, and I thought, what's going on? I know they are friends and have partnered on other things together, so I thought maybe they had started their own wine label, but it looks like they just partnered with this company. And from what I hear, this 19 Crimes is pretty good, and I'm gonna try it and let you know. And then just a little chocolate, because chocolate, red wine, there you go, there's a party. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what my Secret Santa got me. I thought she did really well, following my list and knowing what I like. So thanks, Secret Santa, I love it. Thanks for joining me for this Vlogmas vlog. I hope you enjoyed following me around today. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment. What are you guys doing at your office? Did you do a Secret Santa? What'd you get? Have a great day. Bye.